Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorites from 2021 and I've broken this down into a bunch of different categories and I'm going to be sharing some of my new favorites from this past year as well as some old favorites. I'm starting off this video with my favorite nail care items, and this one is Butter London's Jelly Preserve Strengthening Treatment in the shade Bramley Apple, which is a green/teal tinted jelly polish. I love this product because you can build it up as a fun jelly polish, or you can wear it completely on its own as a nail treatment. Orly's Bonder Base Coat is an old favorite of mine. It's super easy to apply with their wide brown brushes, and it's my go-to base coat if I'm not using a peel-off base. It's also rubberized, so it's perfect under reverse stamp designs as well. The next few products are not new products, but I tried them out for the first time this past year, and ever since I've tried them out, they have been staples in my collection. This one is Glisten & Glow's Glitter Grabber, which is a glitter smoothing top coat. And this does an amazing job at smoothing out any texture from very chunky glitters, as you can see in this before and after picture. This is Glisten & Glow's famous top coat, which I can't believe I haven't tried until now. It's super glossy, it dries really fast, it doesn't smudge, and it doesn't shrink either. And black stamping polishes are notorious for smudging, so I was super impressed by this. Also had to give a shout out to Glisten & Glow's matte top coat because this gives a very solid matte finish and I've been using it a lot this year as well. These are Butter London's nail scrubbers and they're 10 individually packaged wipes. They're the most effective nail polish removers that I've ever tried. Each packet contains a large lint-free wipe that's soaked with remover and contains vitamin E and aloe so your nails don't feel super dry when you remove the polish. One side of the wipe is textured, which I feel like is such a game changer, and it makes removing even stubborn nail polish pretty easy. I was also able to remove all the polish from all 10 of my nails with less than half a wipe, and these are going to be great for traveling and just throwing in your bag. Speaking about moisturizing, I'm still loving the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. And for cuticle oils, I've been loving Glisten & Glow's cuticle oil pens. They're perfect to throw in my bag and they're an easy twist style brush pen applicator. Moving on to my favorite polishes from 2021 / my most worn polishes from this past year, I'm starting off with Cupcake Polish's Bathhouse. This is from July's Polish Pickup Rewind and it's a beautiful light blue jelly polish with a bunch of iridescent flakes. My second most worn polish of 2021 is probably Glisten & Glow's Rainbow Bridge. This is from June 2021's Polish Pickup and it's very similar to the last polish, but it's in a medium purple jelly base. This is Glisten & Glow's On Thin Ice and this is from the November Polish Pickup. It's an icy powder blue polish that has a bunch of color shifting shimmers that predominantly lean pretty orange and red, and I wore this one a ton in November and December. The next two polishes are also from July's Polish Pickup Rewind, and I have been gravitating towards these polishes so much. This one is Bluebird Lacquer's The Ryan King 2.0, and it's this gorgeous emerald green polish with some hollow flakes. This is Rogue Lacquer's Shark Bait, and I remember the first time I swatched this polish, my jaw almost dropped because it was basically a one coater, and I just couldn't get over how pretty these flakes were. And of course, I had to include Salon Perfect's Oil Slick, which has been a staple in my collection for years now. It is the most perfect opaque one coat black polish. Moving on to stamping polishes, these polishes were not new in 2021, but I tried them for the first time and I absolutely loved them. This first one is What's Up Nails Go for Gilt, which is the most perfect shade of gold, and it stamps beautifully and looks good over every color I've tried. And the other stamping polish is What's Up Nails Neither Noir, which is a black stamping polish. This has basically just stayed on my desk the entire year ever since I got it because I use it so much. It's such a reliable black stamping polish and the best one I've tried. Moving on to my favorite collections from 2021, this is Glisten & Glow's Summer 2021's Beach Please Summer Neons collection. There were 5 polishes in this collection and they were all super fun, bright neon colors. They didn't need a white base to be super vibrant, and they also stamped and water marbled. The next collection I wanted to give a shout out to is Glisten & Glow's Holiday Hollows collection, and their Fall Hollows collection for that matter. Each of them consisted of 4 holographic polishes that all basically had the same formula, just with different colors. And they water marbled really well as well. Another favorite collection of mine from 2021 was Le Mini Macaron's Serenity Trio. This is my favorite color combination all combined into one collection, and I just love my Le Mini Macaron gels. Speaking of gel polishes, reflective glitters were such a big trend in 2021, and I have a feeling this trend is going to continue into 2022. And my favorite is probably Uber Chic Beauty's Caviar, which is just a gorgeous black polish with silver glitters, and the transformation from normal lighting to under a flash is just unreal. Another product I've been loving this year is What's Up Nails Absinthe Powder, which is a green chrome powder. All the powders I've tried from What's Up Nails have been super high quality, and I just love how this one looks over a black base. Moving on to my favorite stamping plates from this year, I have stamping compilation videos with all 3 of these plates. The first one is What's Up Nails B060 Deserted Succulent. This has so many cute little succulent images, also full-size images, and a couple puns as well. The next stamping plate is Uber Chic Beauty's Merry and Bright, which is a stamping plate that I was reaching for the most during the holiday season. This one has some fun holiday greetings, as well as some full-size images and some cute layered images as well. And the other plate I was loving is Uber Chic Beauty's New Year, New Digit stamping plate. Because it's so versatile, it could be used for New Year's, birthdays, parties, or anything with numbers really. Another product that I was loving this year was Clear Jelly Stamper's Sticky Pad. This is basically a little book that has 50 sticky sheets, so you can clear off your stamper every time you use it. Moving on to my favorite nail art tools, these are an all-time favorite of mine. These are the NAILSTUFF.CA brushes. They were custom engraved, and something that I didn't realize right away when I first got these brushes is that the handle actually doubles as a brush cap, so you can travel with these brushes and the bristles will stay protected. They come as a set, but they're also sold individually, and they come in various sizes. They're perfect for painting lines, freehand drawing, and also filling in stamps. And another all-time favorite of mine are my dotting tools from NAILSTUFF.CA. They're double-ended and they come in a pack of 3, so you get small, medium, and large size dotting tools. So that wraps up my favorites from 2021. I have some more in-depth reviews and videos using some of the products that I mentioned in this video, so I will leave those linked down below. And I just want to say thank you for watching my videos and supporting this channel throughout the past year. I really appreciate every single view, like, comment, and all of your support. So thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!